For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A Pakistani court has directed the government to inform India to appoint a lawyer for Kulbhushan Jadhav. The court has allowed the appointment of a lawyer in order to file a review petition against Jadhav's conviction. The two-judge bench of the Islamabad court has again directed Pakistan to inform Jadhav of his rights under the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations and the International Court of Justice's order, which called for a stay on the execution order. He shall be specifically informed regarding his right to avail the statutory remedy provided under the Ordinance of 2020 and to authorize the Government of India to arrange legal representation on his behalf. It is expected that Jadhav's right to a fair trial will be respected and utmost care will be exercised while making statements, reporting by print and electronic media, or otherwise commenting on or relating to the proceedings. Earlier in the month, the Pakistani government had introduced an ordinance to allow the review of military court orders in civil courts. The opposition parties in Pakistan alleged that the ordinance is being passed to facilitate the legal aid for Kulbhushan Jadhav. The government of Pakistan rubbished the allegations and said that the order is being passed in compliance with the orders of the International Court of Justice. Earlier, the Indian government had accused the Pakistani government of blocking all legal remedies in the case of Kulbhushan Jadhav. India charged Pakistan of blocking access to Kulbhushan Jadhav a day after the Pakistan government filed a petition in the Islamabad High Court to appoint a lawyer to represent Jadhav for filing a review petition against the death sentence. India also alleged that Pakistan is not providing documents related to the case, which is a violation of the International Court order.
Pakistan has blocked all the avenues for an effective remedy available for India. Pakistan has completely failed to provide the remedy as directed by ICJ, and India reserves its position in the matter, including its rights to avail of further remedies. The meeting of consular officers with Sri Jadhav on 16 July was scuttled by Pakistan authorities. The consular officers were instructed not to hand over any document to Sri Jadhav. Hence, the Indian consular officers could not obtain a power of attorney from Sri Jadhav.
As the rift between India and Pakistan over Kulbhushan Jadhav continues to exist, it remains to be seen if the latest move by the Islamabad court brings any remedies in the case of Jadhav.